Hey y'all, guess who's back? The Crafty Closet here, bringing you another budget-friendly DIY easy project. I'm going to show you how to turn this simple crepe from shabby to chic. Make sure you stick around. So let's get right into it. First thing you have to do is make sure you choose a stain for your crates. I chose a brown stain in the color of Kona. I chose this stain because it's a pretty neutral color. You can use it indoors, you can use it outdoors, depending on whatever you want to use your little side tables for. That's why I chose Kona because it can go great with any type of decor. And brown is a pretty neutral color. So you have to just make sure, of course, you have your gloves on, and then you're just going to make sure you stain your crate completely, getting all of the sides and the back and the front. So you just want to make sure that you stain it well. And you're going to just continue this process until you have completely stained your crate. As you can see, I'm just digging in the stain and staining it. I mean, it's pretty simple. I actually use a paper towel to stain. I know some people use cheesecloth, others use the actual staining pads. I've seen those also, but I didn't have any of that available, so I just used what I had, which was some paper towels, and it actually still stained pretty well. That paper towel didn't shred, it didn't loosen up. There weren't any pieces of paper towel paper towel residue left on the stain, so it worked pretty well for me. But of course, you can use whatever you want. So just continue to stain your project completely. You want to get all of your nooks and crannies, your crevices, and just stain it well. You'll probably have to go over this just maybe once. You only need one time to stain it, and you just make sure you get everywhere that you can on your stain. Now, of course, the little edges that we're not able to get at this time, we're going to come back and clean it up. And I'll show you guys how I do that in this video also. But just for the most part, you get all of the wide parts that you can stain. Don't worry about those little corners and edges that you can't get right yet because we're going to come back and clean that up. So you can watch me stain. I know you don't want to watch me stain, so I'm going to speed this up. Enjoy. Okay, so now we're going to go back to clean up our edges and make it look nice and neat. So remember, all of the little parts that we couldn't get with our original stain, we're going to use a brush. So I like to use the foam brush because it has a nice pointy edge right here, as you can see, and it's good for getting all in those corners. So next, what we're going to do is clean up all of the areas that we weren't able to. And this is really simple. You're just gonna make sure you get all in the spaces that you missed, which will of course be these little sides right in here. These are the edges. You're gonna make sure you get them all in. I usually just use the tip of the brush. Sometimes I'll just go over areas that I think could use a little cleaning up. And that's it. We're just gonna clean this up. Pretty simple. And at this point, I'm probably gonna speed this video up. Your crate dry for a complete 24 hours. That's all you have to do. The next part is just to decorate it. So I just got some really cute battery operated tea lights from Amazon, and I'm just going to show you how I decorate my crate. So you just put the lights in any way you want. If you want lights, you don't have to add lights. That's up to you. Remember, this is your project and you make it you. But since these tables are going to be used for outdoor tables, I wanted to make sure I added a little light in it. So of course, you just put your lights through any way you want. Again, you want to just make sure that you do it again any way you want. I mean, it's pretty simple. Again, you can put it any way you want. And there you have it. Now you can decorate your table with whatever you like. I'm a plant girl, so I love plants. I love a good outdoor plant. And as you can see right there, you can also put something on the top of your plant table. I like this little sign I also made. You can switch it up, put it to the bottom. Your possibilities are endless and the choices are enormous. So again, this is the outdoor table made with the crate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, thanks for watching. You can please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Also give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like it. Liking this video will help me grow my YouTube channel. Once again, I'll see you back here for another DIY budget friendly project. Thanks again.